Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching us some tricks we can do here on the Temu app if we are sure we really want to get the gift we want, like the main items we want being offered to us as free gifts. So it's not enough that you have a code that you can use to get free gifts here on Temu. No. So what if, yes, you have a working code that you can use, but then when you're offered the free gift, all the items on the page, none of them is what you want. What then happens? I mean, it's a waste, isn't it? We might not understand what I mean. Let me just show us quickly. So if you want a free gift, just use this code. Search for this code on the Temu bar. FRS 127497. Okay? And as easy as that, you're being offered free gifts. It can be 2, 3, they can even double it, 6, 8, depending on whatever it is that is being offered to you. So just pick any one. Even if you don't pick the right one, you'll be given another chance to pick. And yes, that is it. So I'm just going to show us real quick what I mean. Sorry, my baby is talking on the background. So yes, once you're being offered free gifts, you have to pick the free gifts on this page that appears now. I mean, you can't leave this page to go any other place to get the free gifts. It must be from this page. So what are those things you need to do to have a higher chance of the goods you want or the items you want? Let's say you want sneakers. What are those things you need to do on the Temu app to have that sneaker you want being shown here on this page for you to pick it as your free gift? So that is what this video is about today. Now, there are two things you can do. The first thing is have any item, all the items you want, make sure you have them on your cart, okay? Whether you want it as a free gift or not, make sure everything you want is on your cart. Let's say you want to buy this amazing, lovely spoon. Add it to your cart. I mean, you're not paying for it right away. Just add it to your cart. Add everything to your cart. And then the second thing you need to do is add it to your wish list, okay? It's very easy. This is the item you want. Just scroll down to where you have the store information and you click on save, and just like that you've added it to your wish list. Okay, it's that easy. Just like that, you added it to your wish list. So now you have all the items you want, you have it on your wish list, and you have it in your cart. After doing that, go ahead and then search this code FRS 127497, and after you do that, you will see that those things you have in your cart and on your wish list, you have a higher chance of those items being offered to you. I mean, you're going to see it. So just spend some time, keep browsing those items on the Temu app. Make sure you add it on your cart and on your wish list, like I have said, before you now type in this code to search so that you can be offered the free gifts. And it's that easy. You see what you want on the free gift page and you choose it. And of course, you know that when Temu offers you free gifts, it comes with qualifying orders, okay? When you're giving this free gift and they mention to you that it comes with qualifying orders, this means that after you're being offered the free gift, whether 2, 3, or whatever number of free gift they give you, you need to spend some amount of money and actually buy some things, okay? It's only when you buy and pay and your order is confirmed that those free gifts are going to be delivered with those other things you bought. They don't just give you the free gift like that. If you're told it comes with qualifying orders, then you need to spend some money to get those gifts, okay? I hope I've made this clear, and if you try this trick, let me know if it works for you, okay? I know it has worked for me so many times and I decided to share it here. Why not? Anyway, thank you for watching to this point, and let me know if you have any questions or anything that you want me to do, and anything about the Temu app or any topic at all. Just let me know and I'll see how I can go about it, okay? And of course, there are other codes that are displayed on the screen. I have the code for the 30% off, the exclusive deals, and if you want to earn as an affiliate also, I have the code for that. And I'm going to do an in-depth tutorial on the affiliate thing, because it's not just about clicking the code and joining. There are certain steps you need to take to make sure that you start earning from Temu. Let me know if you want to see that video. Anyway, thank you for watching to this point, and see you in my next video. Bye.